Jury trials in Arizona are a real mixed bag, and you never really know exactly what kind of jury you're going to get. People who are voters, people that pay their taxes, they wind up on the jury pool, and they'll get a summons and they're told to show up to court on a given day, and you just never really know the composition of the group of people that are going to be down there. I can tell you that your typical Maricopa County felony jury tends to be a little bit older, a little bit more conservative, and their worldview can be a little bit narrower than the typical person on the street. And it's very rare for us to have a 20-year-old or 21-year-old on a jury. It just seems that for the most part we're talking about people who are middle-aged or elderly, and people that a lot of people who have served on juries before. So people that have done it over and over and over again. And that can definitely be a little intimidating when you're representing somebody and they're charged with a criminal offense. You know that you're dealing with a jury pool that can be a little bit conservative and maybe not be willing to give your client the benefit of the doubt. So jury selection can be very, very important. Jury selection can be an all-day event or even 2 or 3 days long, where what you're trying to do is gain as much information as you can about the individuals that are going to be serving on that jury. And you're looking for clues. You're looking for basically tells that will tell you whether or not that person is going to be state-oriented or kind of err on the side of the government, or defense-oriented, and essentially be a little bit more likely to give the defendant the benefit of the doubt. And there is a way to do it. It's definitely a science, and you need to be very thoughtful and very meticulous in the way that you pick a jury. But for a jury selection, the problem is you can't pick the people that you want. You can only strike the people that you don't want. And there are 2 ways to do that. One is that you're given a limited number of strikes where you can just strike for any reason whatsoever, but then you can also strike for cause. If you can get a juror to say that they're not likely to be fair and they're not likely to give the defendant the benefit of the doubt, then potentially you get a judge to get that juror removed from your pool. So picking a jury and doing a jury trial is a lot of times you win or lose on that very first day, because when that jury pool comes in after they've been selected, those are the people that you're stuck with, and those are the people that are going to be deciding your fate. And if you have any questions about how a jury trial works, give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number. 602-989-5000. Thanks so much.